If you're planning on buying a home this year and you want to learn how to get your offer accepted and potentially beat out other offers on the property, you need to hear this. The 12 best tips for writing a winning offer that compel home sellers to accept your purchase offer and get you the home that you want. Buying a home involves a series of steps. Once you find the perfect home, the next big step is putting in an offer. And this part often trips up home buyers. Questions like, what price should I offer? What conditions do I need? And how can I ensure that my offer gets accepted? They all are questions that come to mind, especially in a competitive market. Even if you're not competing, having a solid offer and knowing what sellers look for during negotiations is key to getting the home that you want. Home buyers often ask, how can I make my offer more attractive to sellers? And on the flip side, home sellers ask, what should I look for when evaluating an offer on my home? What makes a winning offer? Money isn't the only factor that makes a winning offer. In fact, sellers sometimes choose lower offers over higher ones. So what makes a winning offer? Let's break it down into 12 key components. Sellers are naturally drawn to the highest and most competitive offer. It's not just about the numbers, it's about value. When your offer is close to or above the asking price, it signals to the seller that you're serious and you're willing to pay a fair market value for their home. Lowball offers can be a deal breaker in a competitive market. Make sure your offer price is both competitive and compelling. It's not just about putting down a price. Sellers want to ensure that you have the financial capability to pay that price. Pre-approval letters from a reputable lender or proof of funds for a cash offer can significantly boost your credibility. Cash offers are particularly attractive because they eliminate financing uncertainties, making transactions smoother and quicker. Showing strong financial qualifications can tip the scales in your favor, and as a buyer, that's always a good thing. Contingencies are conditions that must be met for the sale to proceed, like financing, home inspection, appraisal, or the sale of a buyer's home. Having fewer contingencies can make your offer significantly stronger. Sellers prefer offers with minimal conditions because they simplify the transaction and reduce potential obstacles. Limiting or even waiving certain conditions can make your offer more appealing, but make sure that you balance this with the need for your due diligence. Sellers often prefer buyers who can close quickly, allowing them to move on without delays. A speedy closing can be especially appealing if the seller has already bought another home or needs to relocate quickly. Showing flexibility to accommodate the seller's preferred timeline can be a major advantage. Whether you're offering a quick closing or a flexible schedule, aligning your timeline with the seller's needs can make your offer stand out. So ask, what is the preferred closing date, and try to accommodate it if it is at all possible. This deposit shows the seller that you're serious about purchasing their home and that you have the finances to do so. A higher deposit demonstrates your financial capability and indicates your strong commitment to follow through with the purchase. It reassures the sellers that you are not likely to back out of the deal without a valid reason. The more significant the earnest money deposit, the more confident the seller will feel about your intent and your ability to close the deal. Flexibility, especially with the closing date, can be a significant advantage. Sellers often have a specific timeline in mind, whether it's moving to a new home, starting a new job, or coordinating with the school year. By showing a willingness to adjust your closing date based on the seller's needs, you demonstrate you're considerate and accommodating. Offering to rent back the property to a seller if they need more time to move out can also be a game changer. Such gestures build goodwill and make the transaction smoother for both parties. A heartfelt letter can create an emotional connection that tips the scales in your favor. Sellers often have personal attachments to their homes, which are filled with memories. And when buyers express their genuine love for the home and share their visions for its future, it resonates on a deeper level. Including a sincere, well-crafted offer letter can make a significant difference, especially in a competitive market where there are multiple offers. Home inspections are vital for buyers to ensure that the property is in good condition, but they can also introduce uncertainty and potential delays for sellers. Waiving or limiting inspection contingencies can make your offer significantly more appealing. By doing so, you're signaling confidence in the property's condition and your commitment to moving forward quickly. Additionally, agreeing to handle minor repairs yourself rather than asking the seller to fix them can further sweeten the deal. However, remember to balance this with your need for due diligence. An experienced agent with a strong reputation can significantly boost your offer's attractiveness. Sellers and their agents prefer working with professionals known for reliability, communication skills, and efficiency. There's a lot to do to get a deal done, and a reputable agent can instill confidence in the seller, reassuring them that the transaction will proceed smoothly and without complications. Choosing a well-regarded agent can enhance your chances of securing your dream home. The type of financing you choose can significantly impact your offer's appeal. Conventional financing is often preferred over high-ratio financing packages. Conventional financing is where the buyer puts down 20% or more of the purchase price, and it's more straightforward and usually has fewer restrictions and can close more quickly. Cash offers stand out because they eliminate financing risks entirely. And without the need for mortgage approval, cash offers can close much faster and with less uncertainty. Local market conditions can shape the dynamics of your offer. In a seller's market where demand exceeds supply, it's common to encounter multiple offers and even bidding wars. This drives up home prices and compels buyers to present their most attractive offer from the start. Conversely, in a buyer's market where there are more houses than there are buyers, sellers might be more flexible with their terms. Understanding whether you are in a seller's or a buyer's market or even a balanced market can help you tailor your offer to meet the current market conditions. Sellers prefer offers that promise a smooth and timely closing process. Offers with fewer potential delays are highly attractive as they reduce uncertainty and help sellers move forward with their plans without unnecessary stress. Buyers who demonstrate reliability and have a strong financial backing are particularly favored. So presenting yourself as a dependable buyer can tip the scales in your favor. To wrap things up, making your offer stand out in the busy real estate market means thinking smart and understanding what sellers want. Focusing on key things like offering a good price, showing strong financial backing, keeping conditions in the offer to a minimum, and being flexible with the closing date. Adding a personal touch like a heartfelt offer letter or a solid deposit can really help too. And for buyers, knowing what to look for in an offer can make choosing the right one easier and help the process go smoothly for both parties.